Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to bind the columns into the fields for the production plan visual. Let's start at the top. The first field is product name. Find the dim product table and drag in the product name. Next, the week number. In the previous video, we created the bridge between the goals and the date table, but the week number itself we bind from the dim date table. Machine name is next. You'll find it in the dim machine table. And the date field we bind from the date table. Cycle time we bind from the dim cycle time table. For the cycle time minute, watch out. Set it to average, not a plain number. The buffer data field comes from the fact buffer level table. There are several buffers. Drag them all in, one after another. Produced quantity comes from the fact production table, and make sure this one is a number. Goal quantity comes from the weekly goal table. As you bind the goals, the current goals appear right away. Delivery quantity comes from the fact delivery table, and there are your deliveries too. Product type we drag in from the product table. Now the BOM fields. As I mentioned in the previous video, it's best to merge the dim BOM table into dim product and bind from there. Parent name is the BOM parent, component name the BOM component, and quantity per parent the BOM quantity. A few words on type level 1, 2, and 3. You can see them in the product table. They mark certain product types and categories. You'll be able to filter by them, and they'll matter when setting up the machines. But that's for a later video. We bind these two. From dim product, type level 1 to 1, 2 to 2, and 3 to 3. And with that, all the fields are bound. We have our goals and deliveries. The planning itself isn't there yet though, since there are no areas or machines. We'll set those up inside the visual in a next video. Thanks for watching.